Alright, what's up everybody? This is a video on how to do the coolant pipes on a Cayenne. If the Cayenne, like mine, this is a 2005, it had the plastic coolant pipes, and I noticed that I was losing a little bit of coolant, and more recently the coolant was dropping very quickly, and I saw steaming coming from kind of the middle of the engine, so I knew it was time, probably past due, to do the pipes. Anyway, so it's kind of a crazy job. I did not expect it to be this intense. So I'm going to walk through some of the things that I found that no other videos or DIYs or instructions mentioned. The first thing, or the most important thing, is that when I pulled the plastic tube out, so there's three tubes that go on the top. You can see the three hoses back there. They connect to the manifold up here. That's pretty straightforward. You just like undo those hose clamps and then pull the manifold off, and then with the manifold off and the plastic tubes on them, you can pull the tubes out. I was unable to pull the tubes out. They actually cracked, and so I used a bearing puller to pull them out of that. And that's actually a theme and a tool that I used more than I have on any other job. I use my bearing puller kit for pretty much every coolant hose that I had to remove, mainly because on the big one especially, it's a huge pain in the ass, because even after removing the plastic tube, there's this sort of sleeve that Porsche put. It's a metal tube with a rubber piece around it, and the plastic tube slots into here, and this goes in that crossover pipe. And so when I pulled the plastic tube out, you have to cut it. I drained it first. I drilled a hole, sucked the coolant out, and then I cut it in two sections. And then it was actually pretty easy to pull the plastic tube out. But then I noticed that the kit, when you get your coolant replacement kit, it needs to sit flush within that. And this was in there, and clearly I had to pull this out. And the only way I could figure out how to take this out of there is with a bearing puller. So I used a bearing puller setup. This is specifically the one that I used, and with the jaws set up, and I pulled it out, not with the hammer or the slide puller. And then for the bottom here, there's essentially another one, and I had to get it out of there too. There was another one of those sleeves, and the only way to do that was to pull the starter out to have the clearance that I needed and take the knock sensors out, which go here. So yeah, my experience is you need to basically be prepared to remove the starter to get clearance to be able to extract those sleeves. And now it's pretty much ready to install the new parts, which are, the three metal tubes on top, the big one on the bottom. I'll put the starter back in. And so this is a good time to change the thermostat, to change the starter if needed. I'm trying to get this job done as quickly as possible, so I did not plan enough ahead to do those items. The starter is actually really good on this car. It's pretty low mileage. But anyway, so that's all I wanted to point out, and kind of my experiences with it. The manifold, some tricky little pieces to get it out. You need to loosen the dipstick mount, and then there's a little plastic wiring harness holder that you need to kind of pull out here, and there's a bolt inside the plastic cover down here that you need to take out. That's all so that you can get to one of the bolts on the manifold. There's a little coolant pipe, this metal one. It's attached to this wiring harness plastic cover, and with it in place, it covers one of the bolts that you need to remove to get the manifold cover off. There's not really a good way to remove the top plastic pipes without removing the manifold, and that's where the thermostat sits. So, and there's a gasket here that I guess you should replace as well. Leave the fuel line on the intake manifold. I actually just put it over to the side here, and yeah, so those are kind of some of the most trickiest parts that I found. All right, let me know if you have any questions.